Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to solve the Infosys Springboard Python Program 101 assessment for you. If you want to complete the assessment quickly and get your certificate without delay, just follow along. I'll be going through all the answers step by step, so make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. To start the assessment, first click on the Start button, then accept the instructions by checking the box. Once you've done that, click on Continue, and the assessment will begin. Now, you can see our assessment has started. Let's go ahead and solve it. Question 1. Select from the following feature that does not belong to Python. Option A. Python is an interpreted language. Option B. Python is an object-oriented programming language. Option C. Python is a strong typed language. Option D. Python is a static typed language. The correct answer is Option D. Python is a static typed language. Let's move to the next question. Question 2. Predict the output of the below Python code. Option A, 5. Option B, hello. Option C, compile error. Option D, 5, hello. The correct answer is option B, hello. Let's move to the next question. Question 3. State whether the following statements are true or false. Statement 1. Every type conversion in Python must be done explicitly. Statement 2. Python is a procedure-oriented language. Option A. Both statements are true. Option B. Both statements are false. Option C. Statement 1 is true and Statement 2 is false. Option D. Statement 1 is false and Statement 2 is true. The correct answer is Option A. Both statements are true. Let's move to the next question. Question 4. Python pre-compiled code is in form. Option A, intermediate language. Option B, assembly language. Option C, bytecode. Option D, MSIL. The correct answer is Option C, bytecode. Let's move to the next question. Question 5. Compiled languages convert source code into Option A, bytecode. Option B, intermediate language. Option C, binary code. Option D, MSIL. The correct answer is Option C, binary code. Let's move to the next question. Question 6. Select from the following the extensible library that is not available with Python. Option A, cryptography. Option B, GUI. Option C, system testing. Option D, regular expression. The correct answer is Option C, system testing. Let's move to the next question. Question 7. The Python interactive GUI tool is known as Option A, Sublime Text. Option B, command line. Option C, IDLE. Option D, Docs server. The correct answer is Option C, IDLE. Let's move to the next question. Question 8. Select the code to be used to leave the Python interactive tool. Option A, exit. Option B, close. Option C, quit. Option D, print. The correct answer is Option C, quit. Let's move to the next question. Question 9. Write a correct code to display a message, hello. The correct answer is Option B. Let's move to the next question. Question 10. In which operating system the Python code will be running? Option A, Unix-based system. Option B, Mac OS. Option C, Windows all version. Option D, MS-DOS. Option E, all the above. The correct answer is Option E, all the above. Now that you can see, we've solved all the questions. To submit your assessment, simply click on Final Submission. Before submitting, always make sure that you've attempted all the questions and haven't skipped any. Take a moment to double-check your answers. If you're sure everything is done, then go ahead and click on Final Submit. And now, after submission, you can see that we've successfully cleared the assessment. I hope this video helps you solve your own assessment with ease and get your course certificate without any hassle. If it did help, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who are also taking the Infosys Springboard course. I'll be uploading more solutions, tech tips, and developer content, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching and all the best for your learning journey.